I created this 10-minute flow to alleviate knee, shin, ankle, and foot pain, plus enhance walking, running, squatting, lunging, and jumping performance. Though a single lacrosse ball will suffice, please use a double lacrosse ball setup, or peanut, for best results. You can also self-massage using your hands for extra detailing and better body awareness. I highly recommend using a quality massage and body lotion like BJ's Body Butter, available at sleevessoldseparately.com. For best results, apply Man Baby CBD salves topically to the most tender and tight areas or hot spots to speed healing, available at manbabycbd.com. Use elongated inhales through the nose into the belly and full exhales through the mouth for best results. For the lateral ankle massage, first place the ball or peanut right below the ankle bone or talus. Then use your opposite hand to press down on and pin your ankle to both secure the ball and increase the intensity. Add any and all motion of the ankle to improve tissue quality and increase joint range of motion. Slowly work your way upstream so you finish above the ankle bone into the peroneus. You can also add another ball to trace under the medial or inner ankle bone. Mix between simply adding downward pressure and adding motion via scrubbing or spinning for best results. For the plantar fascia massage, first slowly pressure wave from the forefoot to midfoot to heel or calcaneus. Mix between loading the inside and outside of the foot too, and sit your weight down to increase the intensity. Then add some toe gripping at various angles to further mobilize and strengthen the many articulations of the feet and toes. Finally, oscillate the knee forward and backward and side to side to mobilize the ankle plus the 5 other joints of the foot. Left leg lateral ankle massage. Right leg lateral ankle massage. Halfway. Left leg plantar fascia massage. Halfway. Right leg plantar fascia massage.